What's up, YouTube? It's boy Warren G back at it again. Say, it is 39 degrees out right now. And that E85 cold start was something serious. I swear. It was something like you would have seen on this Just a 6 channel when his Mustang tries like 3 times and it barely be want to run. That was my bike. And then when it finally started idling, it shit revved up high as fuck. But anyway, yeah, I'm on my way to work. I got my Unedited jacket on, so the cold air is not affecting my chest at all, but my hands, yeah, they'll be froze by the time I get to work. And yeah, I definitely got my work pants on, so it's gonna be rough. But anyway, I'm gonna start y'all off with a quick little morning vlog and kind of tell y'all where I left off as far as this getting the GM5. So if I remember right, I had told y'all that I had got the bike, blah 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 blah. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all my first impressions. I'm gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Actually, one of the homies asked me if I regretted getting this bike over any of the other ones, and so I'm gonna tell y'all how I felt when I first got the bike and if I have any regrets. So first of all, I went and got this bike, and my way home, I went to do a pull. I wanted to see what that Gen5 power felt like, and I was very disappointed. This bike stock is super neutered, has no power. It wasn't even funny. The Honda was way faster. So I'm gonna try to get through this vlog kind of fast because it's cold. I ended up flashing the bike and taking it to my 910 spot. And like I said, seat of the pants feel was that it definitely wasn't as fast as the Honda. Well, I took it to the 910 spot, 93 octane. All I did was unlock the throttle blade, the throttle bodies to 100%, and it did 188 in my first 9/10 run. So I thought it was, you know, like a glitch with the GPS. So I did it 2 more times. It was 188 3 times in a row, and that's literally all it would do. It would like hit 188 and hit a wall. It's cold. It's 39 and there's wind chill. It's something serious. But anyway, my back is at 147 degrees engine cooling temps. And that's why I knew this bike was fast. So I ended up getting out one day after I got the exhaust and all that put on, started attempting to tune it, and we did a really long race. I don't know, it was probably, I know it was over 910, so it was probably about a mile, and the bike did 195 off the limiter, so I was pretty happy with it. Boy, my hands are frozen, bucko. And to the homie Carbon Compound on Instagram, he told me to do a little pull this morning. I've had this bike idling in my garage for like 15 minutes before I left, so it's definitely got some oil temp, enough at least, I would think so. But I'll see if I can do a little quick pull, because boy, it's cold. But anyway, yeah, 195, stock gearing, of course, with the, you know, the RPM limiter bump pretty high, and it's not like I was always holding on the limiter. I would just only do it at the top of 6 for those close races. So but no, I have no regrets on buying this bike over the other ones. It is fast. Once you address the downfalls of the Gen5, it's a very formidable bike. This bike is lacking in mid-range, so if I do anything else to this bike, I will get a header. But besides that, I'm pretty well done with this bike. Man, look at that. it to do a pull with. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't have any regrets. I'm gonna address a couple of things in this because it's really hard to keep my mind on what I'm doing as cold as it is. I'm gonna tell you two things that bother me. First thing, why do people ride around with their gas light on doing highly illegal shit, full highway pulls, you know, blast runs through traffic with their gas light blinking? If y'all are gonna do some dumb shit, do it on a full tank of gas. At least give yourself a chance to get away. Shit. Boy, it is something chilly. First gear on these RSs is not gonna happen. Strap the knot. I'll do probably a little quick second gear pull for y'all once I get some good spot to do it. Yeah, and my other thing is, why do people lie about the miles on their bikes? I don't understand it. I will never understand it. If you have head cams on your bike, quit telling everybody it's stock. It is not stock. As far as I'm concerned, everybody's definitions are different. A stock bike is, you know, from all pan to throttle bodies, you know, they've never been touched. Or, you know, I say that velocity stacks, to me, that don't really count. Yes, you can unlock a little bit of horsepower with velocity stacks on certain models, but people having cams and shit, it's not stock. And I don't understand why you want it to be classified as stock, because you got stock bikes are beating you, you know? Fuck it. But anyway, yeah, I don't know. I have never understood that. Even when I was real big into cars, I've never understood why everybody's claiming to be stock motor, stock all this. But you can tell. So pretty much here's what I'm getting at. A tune can only get you so far. After that tune, you have to rely on other mods to get you ahead of the competition. Whether it be weight reduction or you know, spray, motor work. Something's got to put you ahead of the competition after a tune does it. So I see guys that are 230 pounds on claiming the stock, you know, stock, bone stock Gen 5, and they are beating let me slow down, or are as fast as a guy that's 180 pounds on the same bike, same fuel, same tune. And we take it further. 140 pound guy, you know. Of course, the guy is 140 pounds in the 1000. I probably said that 1000 is gonna be fast as shit. So how is it somebody's 200 pounds, same mods, supposedly, same tune, same fuel, and the heavier guy is faster? Come on. If the torques are similar, you know, if the setup is pretty much identical, choose your brain. And then when you address these guys, they like to tiptoe around the topic. If you just say you got work, I don't understand. It's like y'all are hard pressed to be beat by somebody that's in the same category as you. You know, you got to get the upper hand to barely win a race and use that as like a growing point for your Instagram channel or something. But you're lying to your fans. I don't get it. I never will get it. Those are two things. You know, it's fucking rant this morning early as shit. 7:10. That's my rant. I don't know. And it's getting worse and worse in this bike world. I've seen videos where, a fellow Texas guy has claiming a bone stock Gen 5, and he is hand and foot shifting, drops back fucking 10 bikes on the hit, and goddamn reeling you in so fast. You're like, this motherfucker's gotta have, you know, 100 more horses than me. And then no, it's all stock. This bike made 190 on my dyno. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's no, stop. Anyway, matter of fact, I got another rant. I don't understand why people will post a rear cam footage video where you cannot see the bike that they're racing, and as soon as the video starts, it's like they got a hell of a pull. I mean, like, goddamn, they already just 10 miles an hour ahead of the other rider, and they post this footage, but they're not showing. So I'm gonna tell y'all, momentum plays a bigger part in these races than y'all think. That's why you can go with a factory Gen 5 quick shifter and have a much faster bike and lose a race against a bike that has race tools with less power, because momentum actually, it's a big deal. These guys claiming they can hand and foot shift faster than a quick shifter, it's full of shit. You out of your mind. You know, it's the fastest shifting motherfucker that I seen locally was Speed Demon. And no, I mean, Speed Demon fucking, but even in still, we're keeping the throttle full pin and you're clicking into a next gear. My Honda could do 55 milliseconds kill time, like, safely, you know. You're not gonna roll this throttle and roll back on it in 55 milliseconds. Momentum plays a big part. Now, that goes for the hit also, because most of the bikes that we ride with, you know, they can do 60, 130 in the high 3 seconds mark. So if you look at that data, we're doing from 60 to 70 in less than half a second. So just think, you know, just say a reaction time. Let's say if you hit the gas, you know, 1/10 of a second slower than the other rider. This guy, by just doing some quick math, he's got a 2 mile an hour advantage on the hit. So now, if you have equally fast bikes, he has a 2 mile an hour advantage. That 2 mile an hour will carry the whole race. So he will constantly be pulling away from you 2 mile an hour faster. It doesn't matter. You will have to stop his pull and come around him. And if, like I said, if the bikes are the exact same speed, you know, and mathematically speaking, you're not gonna win that race. So what I'm getting at is, these guys are posting these rear cam footages. They're either timing the hit perfectly, or they're what we call or they're just, you know, the other guy was asleep, but they post this trash footage for the fans and makes them look like they're just so much faster, you know. No, that's not the case, because if you have 20 races on race day and you post one video, make it like you're killing the competition, what does that tell you? Post all the fucking footage. Like, nobody's the fastest. Everybody can get beat. I don't give a fuck. Everybody can get beat. Even the fastest guys get beat. So yes, momentum plays a big what the fuck? That light ain't working. Momentum plays a big role in these motorcycle races. So, man, I don't know, man. Those are three things that really irritate me. Post the side cam footage if you're gonna post the rear. My rear cam is posted, it's angled kind of like half and half. So usually you can see the rear tire, at least, of whoever I'm racing. And of course, if it's angled back, so even if I'm in the right side of the lane, if I'm far enough out in front of you, you'll be able to see, you know. But they're posting this footage, one race from 20 races on race day, and I'm not gonna say any names, even though I could. The homie Main Hold Up was I posted this one clip, and he was like, man, I hate that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? And nigga, all he do was post one race from race day, making like he gapping the fuck out of the fastest back there, you know. And then I post a footage, post a video of like the same me, you know what I'm saying, gapping the same rider. And it's like, bro, you can tell you're not that fast. Where's the rest of the footage? I raced through more times than that. You got the footage, but it'll never be found. That shit gets magically lost in the goddamn, you know what I'm saying, fucking trash can of the world that's on your computer. You know what I'm saying? Every race you don't win, you throw that shit in the trash and never see it again. Say, post all the fucking footage, man. Anyway, fuck this shit. I'm cold. My hands are, yeah, these are my summer gloves. They're cold. I'm almost at work. Y'all motherfuckers be safe. Y'all have a good day today. I'm gonna try to post this one up ASAP. Supposed to get to like 60 something degrees today, so I won't be so bad at the end of the day. So yeah, y'all have a good day. Stay safe, stay warm, be easy. Peace.